What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is, I've been wearing my Fitbit so I can keep track of everything. Today is April 4th and I'm off. I've had a crazy week. Literally haven't vlogged at all, haven't done anything. I barely slept, so I'm getting my life back together today. I just took a shower on my tan last night, so I rinsed my tan off, and I am gonna go look for a bed frame today. And I'm not planning on getting one, but I wanna look and see what I can find, just because I really want one. So I need to measure that space behind me and see where we're at there to see like kind of what I'm working with. And this place where my mom went to just get her recliner chair, they had beds and I saw some and they were cute, but that was like not what I was looking for at the time, so I didn't want to go and look. And I've actually been looking for quite a while, and every time I find one they're like really expensive, so I'm hoping that I can find a cheap one here and that's cute and that it works with our room. And I'm also gonna go have some drinks and lunch with Raya because this week is much needed for that. And that's about it. I just got ready. Trying to find some good lighting. I just got ready. I just did my normal makeup. I just didn't throw lashes on, so I feel kind of weird not wearing lashes. But I'm wearing my vacay mode hat because vacay is next week, pretty much, or like 2 weeks. And yeah, I need to come back and clean a little bit. It looks kind of cool outside, I don't know, but I'm just wearing like workout clothes because I didn't, all my clothes are dirty. I need to go take this laundry. But I'm wearing these shoes that I haven't worn in forever. It's kind of cold out. And I'm wearing these workout pants that I like to run in. My Under Armour jacket. I'm beeping. Why am I beeping? Ooh. And then this hat is from Target's dollar section, YOLO. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn all these lights off and head out. Hopefully it's not too cool. I don't want to wear these slip-ons because I probably won't be back to the mom to look at these beds because she likes that place and I want her to help me pick one out. But I wanted to vlog. I just woke up too, and it's 11:53. I woke up like 45 minutes ago, and I threw my hair in like a mini braid since my hair is so short now. And I'm just gonna throw my windbreaker on. And then I need to do laundry and clean the house a little bit when I get back. But yeah, I'm done rambling. I just wanted to catch up with you guys and let you know what. This is the first time I filled up my tank, and it only cost me $45. Normally it cost me like 60 something. Go gas prices. Right now I'm filling up my tires because I got like a check tire pressure, and normally in my car, my Volkswagen, when it does that, it means I have a screw in my tire. It's happened like 5 or 6 times, but I checked all of them and they all look fine, so they must just need air in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna head over, get a coffee, and then head over and meet my mom to pick her up. So it's kind of cold out. Kind of wish I didn't wear these shoes, but I feel like I'm always wearing enclosed shoes and it's good to let your feet breathe. What's up, guys? Okay, so my hands for one are gonna be crazy throughout this video. Probably my hair because I just woke up from a 2-hour nap. I'm heading to Starbucks. I had work this morning early, but I have been asleep, and I am actually, look how orange my hands are, it's so bad. So I'm actually going to meal prep for this week. It is Sunday, or I'm sorry, it's Friday right now. So I'm gonna try to meal prep for the next, like, moving forward days until like, I think until like Wednesday. So I'm cooking everything I have, and I am, does my hair look okay? And I'm also cooking all the vegetables and everything that I have so that I can pretty much have everything ready for this week, because I want to make sure I have everything cooked, because I feel like everything's kind of not going bad, but I want to make sure nothing goes bad. I want to cook everything. I'm going to Starbucks to get me and my mom a drink, and then we're gonna meal prep everything that I have together. Mother-daughter time. My mom's only been over to my house like I think 1 or 2 times, and I kind of just want to have her over more. And yeah, So, and then Ryan's gonna come over too and help, and we're gonna have wine. I need to go to the store to get meal prep containers to put all the food in, just because that way it would be more organized than putting everything in Tupperware and then having to pack my lunch every morning. So everything's gonna be prepped. I'm gonna make breakfast, lunch, dinner, probably mainly like lunch and dinner, some keto desserts, snacks. I need to get bacon bites, like the crumbled pieces of bacon, cucumbers, cheese, and I think cream cheese and sour cream are the only things I need to get from the store minus the containers. I'm hoping that Winco, the store closest to us, has the meal prep containers, because I really don't want to drive all the way to Walmart, and I want to try to not go anywhere, because I know if I go somewhere I'm gonna want to buy more like stuff that I don't really need, and I feel like if I could just go like right now to like a quick store, I won't buy as much stuff that I don't need. So yeah, I'm gonna go get us something to drink, some fuel, and I'm waiting for him to come over, and then I'm gonna go to the store with her and get a couple of things and get this started. I'm so excited. I decided this 36 minutes ago because I had like this past week was just kind of like a cheat week for me. TMI, but if mainly girls are watching my channel, but I've had a lot of like feminine problems this like week, and it's caused me to like want to just like eat and like want to snack, you know, and want to drink. So I went out and had some drinks yesterday with Raya, and well, she didn't drink in public, but I had her try some of mine. And yeah, I needed to drink, and I needed to binge eat, you know, not binge eat, I didn't really eat too many carbs. I had more like sugary things, but yeah, I just really needed to just do that. You know, sometimes when you're on your period, it's really hard and you're like craving everything. So this next month, I probably won't have any more. I'm getting the Nexplanon out of my arm, so I won't have as many feminine problems as I'm having right now. And I'll have a regular period every month. But with this Nexplanon, it really has like a messed up period, like type you never know when it's gonna end, and it's just been really bad for me. But I'm literally rambling, but yeah, so I kind of just like ate whatever I want and had sweet tooth, but I want to make sure that I can have keto snacks on this next period. Now that it will probably be regular, I'm gonna get back onto a pill instead of having it in my arm. I did it for a reason. I feel like it was kind of a selfish reason, because I didn't want to take pills because I work so much that I don't really remember to like take them all the time, or it's late, and I would rather just have it in my arm. But I feel like I'm kind of having side effects from it, and I just thought I would give it a shot. I'm on year 2 of putting it in my arm, and I'm really nervous to get it out next week. I actually get it out on the 11th, which is next Thursday, and I'm so freaking nervous because it hurts really bad when they numb you, and then afterwards your arm's like hell sore, because it's kind of like, it's like a little mini procedure. Like they literally cut your arm open and put a tube in it, and then now they're taking it out. So anyways, I'm at Starbucks, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here, and then I think I'm just gonna do kind of like a montage of me and Mom like doing all the food stuff, because I don't want to sit there and explain everything we're doing. But if you guys have questions, I will leave it. I'll comment back to you if you guys have any questions. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get us all some Starbucks, and I will catch up with you guys in just a little bit with an update on this meal prep. And I'm really nervous. My kitchen counters have never been this full, but we just prepped up some little salads, and we also made some snack containers. Mine is pepperoni, pumpkin seeds, little string cheese. Hector's is seaweed, spicy pepper, cheese, pepperoni, and salami. And then I got unsweetened pure black tea, and then I got Hector some green unsweetened tea. And then thawing out those, just made some boiled eggs. Finally got me a water bottle where you measure your water intake because I've been needing one. What else? What's next? We're gonna make the beef sirloin steaks with the asparagus and broccoli. And yeah, I'm gonna turn this down before I get copywritten. I found another vent thing, and then I also found a big one for the vlog camera that's already in the car. But you guys, look how cute my little birdhouse is that I got. It's so cute. It's literally like a little mini house. It's so cute. But I'm trying to figure out why they only give you one whole thing. So we're cooking turkey over there. Why they only gave me one hole for them to eat out of right here. It's like one bird at a time. There's no other holes in here that they can eat out of. So, and then I got the bird feed for a bunch of different birds. And then I also bought a hummingbird feeder, which is over there. So I'm gonna try to put this in there without getting it everywhere. Probably shouldn't do it in the kitchen, but whatever. Alright, so I haven't really vlogged what we were doing, but I made, well, Mom made most of these. I kind of just was like telling her what to put in there. Like I said, those are snacks, and then these are our taco salads. Red peppers, cheese, a little bit of lettuce, avocado with turkey instead of beef. 2 of those, and then eggs, like boiled eggs, tomatoes, pepperoni. Drinks for the week. Monday, unsweetened teas. These are good. Hopefully I like them. Kind of went through the fridge and organized. That's all the prep stuff, and then this is just eggs and greens. I have one of the matcha things left. Trader Joe's stuff. And then I didn't realize it, but this is keto, so I'm gonna put it on my, which one do we have? We had zucchini noodles in there, so I'm gonna put this on it when it comes to eating it. And then on the salads, I also just season them with the salad topping. And then we're just going to use like hot sauce. And then I bought sugar-free ketchup and then ranch for the salad. So now we're doing the beef sirloin. Uh-oh. Something shifted. Beef sirloin with asparagus. And then we're going to cut up some of this cauliflower. And I think that's it. And then we have the boiled eggs. And then I'm going to make up this stuff for the hummingbirds. And I actually need to get more food. Kind of like music blasting. I need to get more food for the birds because it filled the whole house, but it's not enough for where they could get to it. So gotta do that and clean up this messy kitchen. Sitting here like relaxing. This doesn't really happen much, but it's kind of late. It's 11:46 My mom just left. My dad came over and played with Nyla. And I'm just sitting here. I just finished my second glass of wine. My candle's still going. Nyla's drinking some water over there. And I'm gonna get ready to edit some of my vlog. I was just kind of looking up hotels and stuff for vacations that we're gonna go on soon. So I'm just kind of looking them up. And I'm waiting for Babe to get home. He won't be home until 12, a little bit after 12, hopefully. Doesn't want to focus. It looks scary because it's like above my head, but hopefully he will be home not too soon after 12 because I have to wake up in the morning early for work. But I'm going to go ahead and edit this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I meal prepped so much with my mom. It was so nice having her over and kind of bonding with her because I'm just glad that she's doing better. You know, she was doing really bad and she just had a really big surgery and she's just healing great. And I mean, God's good. What can I say? He always heals her in many ways. I just hope that she just looks up from here and can just continue to stay healthy and get more and more healthy and get back into herself and be able to, you know, press on with life. So yeah, I'm excited for this meal prep and not have to worry about anything. And I used up literally everything in my fridge except for like a couple things, so that was nice. I'm glad I found a wine that I like. I want to try to drink it like every night. Maybe not every night, but now I found a wine that I like actually really enjoy, and I had like 2 like half glasses, so I feel like that was pretty good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching my vlogs. I will see you guys very soon in the next video, probably on Sunday. We're gonna end up going to the zoo on Sunday because we didn't get to go last Sunday because they closed early and we didn't get out there till later. So hopefully we can get there early on Sunday morning. It will be great. So I will see you guys on Sunday. Have a good night.